These are the Daily Tech headlines for Thursday, November 7th, 2024. I'm Rob Dunwood. The Canadian government has ordered TikTok to shut down operations in the country, citing unspecified national security risks posed by the company and its parent ByteDance. The crackdown follows a multi-step national security review process by Canadian intelligence agencies. TikTok will be ordered to wind up all of its businesses in the country, though the Canadian government stopped short of completely banning the app. TikTok is already banned on government devices in Canada. A TikTok spokesperson said the company would challenge Canada's order and, quote, "The TikTok platform will remain available for creators to find an audience, explore new interests, and for businesses to thrive," end quote. Microsoft is adding AI-powered text editing features to Notepad. Rewrite is rolling out in preview to Windows Insiders and will let you use AI to rephrase sentences, adjust tone, and modify the length of your content. Windows Insiders with early access can test the feature by highlighting the text you want to adjust in Notepad, right-clicking it, and choosing Rewrite. Notepad will then display a dialog box where you can decide how you want to change your text. Rewrite does require signing into your Microsoft account for use and is available in the US, France, UK, Canada, Italy, and Germany. ChatGPT maker OpenAI has acquired one of the oldest domain names on the web. Chat.com, which was originally registered in 1996, now redirects to ChatGPT.com. HubSpot co-founder and CTO Dharmesh Shah, who acquired Chat.com for $15.5 million, announced last March that he sold the domain to an unnamed buyer. In a recent post on X, Shah confirmed that OpenAI was the buyer, implying that he had been paid in OpenAI shares. An updated feature spotted in the iOS 18.2 developer beta indicates that Apple may soon let users share the location of lost or missing items via the Find My app with people who are not in their contacts using a link. MacRumors spotted the updated feature and noted that Apple says it is intended to help locate your lost items by sharing the location with people such as a cab driver or an airline employee. iOS 18.2 dev beta testers will find a new share item location option in the Find My app, which gives you a shareable link to the location of the missing item. People can open the link on any device, including non-Apple devices, to try to track it. Speaking of sharing things with links, Google TV now lets users share movies and shows with a link. This functionality, live now in both the Android and iOS apps, sends a link to another user which can open a specific movie or TV show within the Google TV app, as well as an image of the contents poster if you share it directly to another app. You can't share access to the content with these links, just the listing itself. Those shared with must have a subscription or buy access to shared content. Microsoft is testing a Windows on ARM update that will allow more software and games to run under the Prism emulation on Copilot Plus PCs with Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite or Plus processors. The capability comes as part of the Windows 11 Insider Preview Build 27744, rolling out to testers in the Canary channel. With this update, Microsoft's emulator will open up support for 64-bit x86 software to use processor extensions like AVX, AVX2, BMI, FMA, and F16C. Amid the feud between WordPress co-creator Matt Mullenweg and hosting provider WP Engine, Automatic, the company behind WordPress.com, has created a new website called WP Engine Tracker, which shows how many sites have moved away from WP Engine since the feud began in September. The site's full URL is WordPressEngineTracker.com, which is ironic given Mullenweg and Automatic have argued during the battle that WP Engine misused the WordPress trademark and tricked people into believing that WP Engine is associated with WordPress.com. And finally, Netflix has confirmed Stranger Things Season 5 is coming to the streaming service in 2025. We don't have an exact date for the premiere of the final season, but production for the final 8 episodes, which have been named, kicked off earlier this year. For more discussion of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. And if you enjoy the show, remember to tell a friend to check us out. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.